Hello learners! It's great to see you again. Today, we will learn about division. Let us first remember what we have learned about multiplication. When we multiply, we are putting equal groups together to find the total. For example, there are 3 plates. Each plate has 2 pairs. We multiply to find how many pairs there are in total. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So, there are 6 pairs in total. Multiplication helps us find the total when we know the number of equal groups and how many are in each group. Now, what if we know the total and want to share it into equal groups? That's when we use division. We divide to share the total into equal groups. We can divide to find the number of equal groups, or the number in each group. Let's look at an example of how we can divide to find how many equal groups there are. There are 6 cookies. Let's share them equally onto plates. If we put 2 cookies on each plate, how many plates will we have? We start with 1 plate, and we place 2 cookies on it. Since we still have cookies that are not placed on plates, we continue to fill up the plates until there are no cookies left. Now all the cookies are on plates. How many plates did we fill up? 1, 2, 3. After filling up 3 plates, there are no cookies left. 6 cookies divided into equal groups of 2 gives us 3 groups. So, we write this as 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, where 6 is the total number of cookies, 2 is the number in each equal group, and 3 is the number of groups. 6 cookies divided into plates of 2 cookies gives us 3 plates. So, there are 3 plates of cookies. Let's start with 8 cookies now. If we want to put them equally onto 2 plates, how many cookies will there be on each plate? We put 1 cookie onto each plate first. Since we still have cookies left, we can put 1 more cookie on each plate. We continue to put 1 more cookie on each plate until there are no cookies left. Now all the cookies are divided onto plates. How many cookies are on each plate? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 cookies divided into 2 groups gives us 4 in each group. So, we write this as 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. This time, we have divided the total by the number of groups to find the number in each group. 8 cookies divided onto 2 plates gives us 4 cookies on each plate. Let us practice division using one more example. There are 12 fish. If we want to put them equally into 4 bowls, how many fish will be in each bowl? Can you think of a division sentence to find the number of fish in each bowl? Pause and discuss with your friends. 12 fish divided into 4 groups gives us 3 in each group. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. There will be 3 fish in each bowl. Now, what if each bowl can only hold 2 fish? How many bowls will we need? Pause and discuss with your friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 fish divided into groups of 2 gives us 6 groups. So, we will need 6 bowls. Did you get it right? Today, we have learned about division. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.